Might have forgotten to add a cover photo on your Instagram reel or just want to change it after you posted it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change cover photo on Instagram reel after posting. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight and open up our Instagram app. And from here, let's click on our profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And on this page, we should be able to access our reels. Now to see our reels, just click on this reels icon at the middle and just choose any reel you want that you posted that you want to change the cover photo to. So for example, I want to change the cover photo for this reel I posted before. So once you have opened that specific reel, just click on this three dotted icon right over here at the bottom right part of your screen and click on Manage. From here, you will have many options, but just click on Edit right over here. And you should be able to edit the reel cover photo as well as a caption. You can also tag people, add location, and access some advanced settings right here, which involves showing your captions. Now to change your cover photo of your reel, just click on this cover option right over here. And then you can choose a frame from your video or an image from your camera roll for your cover image. So I'm just going to click on Add from Camera Roll right here at the bottom part of our screen. And I'm going to choose a photo I like. So just do that as well. For example, I want this. So just click on Done once you have set that up. Click on Done once again. And let's wait for this to load. And once we go back to our Reels page, you should be able to see the changed cover photo. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.